Hi, I'm Adam at A2I Wheel and Tire. Everybody in the U.S. pretty much got snow except for Florida the last week. One of the big problems with snow, you drive through a bunch of drifts, you park in a snowbank, like I just did here. The snow actually will melt as the wheel gets warmer. Then the cold temperatures freeze the snow to the wheel, changing the complete balance of your wheel. So then you're gonna get a vibration, it's gonna ride like crap. It happened to me just earlier this week. Don't freak out. Take your car to a car wash it out, dry it as much as you can, just let it air dry. When the weather warms up, it should be back to normal. If you're worried, take it to your tire shop, just have your lug nuts checked for torque. If all that's good, then just wait. Don't get it rebalanced until you're sure that it's actually a balancing issue. Thanks and have a great day.